So we've been making steel rule cutting dies for 40 plus years. We started out jigging them by hand with a little teeny jigsaw, then moved into an automated saw, and then into a laser. It's all about the skill of our die makers and the automation of, technology and automated benders, pin setters, rubber cutters, lasers. Over the last 18 to 24 months, we've purchased a new laser, we've purchased a pin setter, we purchased a rubber cutter. We've had to do that to keep up with the demand, to keep up with our customers' needs, to be able to turn dies around in a speedy fashion, to grow with our customers and help our customers be successful.
When we're starting our process, we're actually getting an order from sales and customer service, which goes into the CAD department. From there, CAD department actually takes a file that they're receiving from our customer, and they manipulate in a way, doing all the things they have to do on their end in order for us to make a cutting die. Once we receive the order at the die shop, we take that order along with all the customer information, the files that the CAD room gives us, and then it goes to our laser. From our laser, the die board's burned. Again, whether it's flat die, rotary die, whatever type of die it is, it's burned at the laser and then goes through different processes on our end, depending again on what it is, whether it's going through the flat die department, the rotary department, the assembly jigging department. Once it goes through there, the rule's processed, installed into the die board. From there, it goes to the rubbering department, and then from there, in the rubbering department, the ejection materials glued onto the die board before the die is final checked and shipped to a customer. While we're all kind of running around doing our own thing, even within our cutting die department, there's several departments within that die shop. So as the cutting die is going through, it's going from one step to another step. So there's always a lot of communication going on. I've been here 30 years, and throughout that time, there's been a lot of equipment that has come in because technology has just changed things drastically from when I started here years ago. And I don't know the time frame, the last couple of years, a lot of new equipment. Ryan and Aaron have really looked at this closely and realized that there's a lot of stuff that we can do to improve our process, make us faster, make us better. So it's been great.
Our customers choose to work with us because of our problem-solving skills. We service them very well.
By providing that extra service, gives the customer a comfort level of working with us, knowing that we have their back and we're looking out for their machine times and productivity. With producing cutting dies or printing plates, you really have to think 5, 6, 7 steps down the line, and what you do here is going to affect someone else, so you really try to get everything answered and completed correct. So once the job starts going downstream, it's ready to go once it gets to the shipping department and out the door.